Google just launched a brand new tool in the Gemini Studio called Nano Bananas, where you can actually create images. Okay, you just give a simple prompt and it creates images for you on a silver plate and a silver platter. Okay, so you could see here, okay, this is Nano Banana. Image editing in Gemini just got major upgrade. Okay, take your photos even further, imagine yourself in a different scene, combine creative elements, make specific edits and more. The only limit is your imagination. All right, Gemini image editing is Nano Bananas, and then you could read all the details here. Okay, it's a tool launched by Google, which is a tool part of Gemini. So you can use Nano Banana and take advantage of this right now, because this is going viral. Okay, and there's no competition. That's what I'm talking about. Let me show you an easy way to make money online with this. Okay, so what you need to do first of all is you need to go to, so there's another tool as well. Someone has created a complete website on this as well. So you can see here, these are some of the tools using some of the images using Nano Banana down here. All right, so what you need to do first of all is you need to go to Google AI Studio. So if you go to Google AI Studio, okay, you're going to see this down here. Okay, this is the first link. You're going to click on it and you're going to come to a page just like this. Now when you do this, make sure you have logged in to your Gmail account. All right, and once you have logged into your Gmail account, you're going to come here, you're going to come to Google AI Studio, and you're going to see this here where it says try Nano Banana. All right, so we're going to click on this and it's going to give me a prompt here. We're going to give it a prompt what we want. Okay, so we're going to say something like create a kid's book about a cat. Create a 10-page, let's do 8 pages, 8-page kids book about a cat with image and text. Okay, so I'm running this live on this video and let's see what this has to do for us. Okay, so look how fast this is. Okay, I gave a prompt, it's on page 2 and it's using the free tokens that it has given me. All right, and in a moment I'm going to share how you can start making money using this. This is a very, very powerful tool. All right, if you're loving it so far, leave a comment for me, click the share button, share this video, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel and you want to learn step by step how to create a successful internet money making business, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, which should be anywhere on this page or below this video. Just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so whenever I come up with a brand new training video, you're the first one to be notified. All right, so there you go. It has created an 8-page book for me, and let's look into these books. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so check this out. Okay, look at this. There, it just created a book, and there you go. Check this out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to download this. Okay, so I'm going to download this. Go down and I'm going to download the next one as well. Okay, so let's do this. So I downloaded up to about 5 pages, which is more than enough for demonstration and education purposes. Okay, you get the idea here. So I got this into my download folder. Now what we're going to do is we are going to head over to Canva. Okay, and we're going to go to templates and we're going to put here kids books. Okay, and look at all these templates. Okay, we're looking for a square template down here. All right, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, so just let's customize this template. Okay, okay, so we're going to just duplicate this 5 times, and now what we're going to do is we are going to come here, okay, go to upload each of those files that I have on my computer. So here's the first one, here's the second one, here's the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to do 4. Okay, so let's do this one first. And then what you want to do, you just want to drag this. Okay. There you go. We're just going to get rid of this international and get rid of this, get rid of this. Okay, and then we'll scroll down, go to the second one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to upload our image, which is going to be this one here. Alright, and then we're just going to drag this. Okay, look how easy it is. Okay, you might be thinking, how would I make money with this? I'm going to show you how to make money with this. Don't worry, just keep watching. If you're getting value, give me a thumbs up. Okay, if you're loving this video, this method that I'm teaching you, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get this one as well. Let's upload it to the third file. We're just going to keep on doing this until we finish. Okay, now you could do this with 10 pages, 15 pages, 20 pages, and you could create a 20-page book, 30-page book, a 50-page book. Okay, it's very simple using this AI tool. So let's just drag this, make it into the middle. Let's just get rid of this. Look how easy this is. Okay, the easiest way to make money online right now. Okay, everything's just looking good. Let me just grab this a bit more here. Okay, let me just go. So the text part should be showing up. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then the last one, let's do this one. Okay, so just go here and there you go, and then we're just going to drag this as well. Okay, so you can see it's looking so far good. Okay, and then I'm just going to actually, let's just, okay, there you go, and I am going to delete this one, so I don't need it. So there you go, I've got this paid book. Okay, now I'm going to click on share. I'm going to go to download, and I'm going to download this to my computer. Okay, so let's do this. It's downloading the whole book. Now what you want to do, you can go out there and start selling this book. Okay, so you can sell it on Amazon. You can see there's a lot of demand of kids book down here, so you can sell it on Amazon. You can see people are selling these type of books on Amazon. Okay, but the best platform in my opinion to sell these type of books is called Etsy. Okay, so if you come here, Etsy, you can see here people have put a lot of books for sale. You can see this one here with 1,500 okay reviews. Okay, 181. There's a lot of demand of these type of books. Check this out. This is a coloring book. You could also create a 5-page, 10-page, or a 20-page coloring book using Nano Banana. Okay, and you could put it for sale. So you could do the same thing, just give it the same prompt, create me a 10-page kids coloring book about a cat or about trees or about adventures, etc., and just put it for sale, and you could sell these type of books. This is the PDF format book that you're going to be selling on Etsy, and you could get a lot of sales. So you can see here this person is selling a book with 200 printable coloring pages. Okay, 4.9 positive reviews and 4.8 thousand sales so far. Right, so this is how you're going to make money online. So let's just look at my, let me just go to my book. Okay, so where is my file? I'm just looking for my file here. Okay, so okay, so you can see this. This is my book, okay? So I've got all this into one place, and then I just have to actually make it into a PDF format, alright, and just put it for sale on Etsy and Amazon, and I can expect to make some sales and money. But before I do one more thing, before I finish the video, there's one more thing you need to do. Okay, you need to go to ChatGPT, which is free, and just tell ChatGPT, I am selling a kid's book about cats. Can you please give me SEO, title, and description? This is to make sure that our book appears on the first page for related keywords, okay? And you need to do this. This is very important. This is how you're going to make the sales, okay? So there you go. It's giving me everything I need to sell this book. So you can see here, cute cat adventure kids book, fun and education story for children, and this is the SEO description. So this is what I'm going to be using when it comes to selling my book on a platform like Etsy. Okay, so go ahead, start using this tool, and software is created by Google Gemini, and you can take advantage to make money right now.